Cholesky decomposition or factorization. In Cholesky decomposition, a symmetric positive definite matrix can be factorized into a product L into L transpose, where this L is a lower triangular matrix with positive diagonal elements. A matrix given matrix A, consider A in this given form A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, etc. A2n, AN1, AN2, etc. ANn. That is equal to L11, 0, 0, 0, then L21, L22, 0, 0, etc. 0, LN1, LN2, etc. LNN. This is a lower triangular matrix. That means above the main diagonal elements, above this main diagonal, all the entries are 0, and below this main diagonal, there are non-zero elements. There exist non-zero elements below this main diagonal elements, and all the elements above the main diagonal are zeros. So that is a lower triangular matrix. And we take the transpose of this lower triangular matrix. So Cholesky decomposition, in Cholesky decomposition, a given symmetric positive definite matrix, A is a symmetric positive definite matrix, it can be factorized into L into L transpose, where L is a unique matrix called a Cholesky factor. Now, Cholesky decomposition is meant for all positive definite symmetric matrices. Now, here we study the decomposition of symmetric positive definite 3x3 matrices. Consider 3x3 symmetric positive definite matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is equal to L into L transpose. L into L transpose, L is, we assume L to be L11, 0, 0, L21, L22, 0, L31, L32, L33. And we take its transpose. Now we multiply L with L transpose, and this is a product. That is first row multiplied with this first column, and we have L11 square. Now first row multiplied with second column, we have L11, L21 plus 0 plus 0. Then first row multiplied with third column, we have L11, L31, then plus 0 plus 0. Then to get this particular element, second row is multiplied with the first column. So L21 into L11 plus 0 plus 0. Then second row is multiplied with second column. So we have L21 square plus L22 square. Then we have second row multiplied with third column, and we have L21 L31 plus L22 L32. Now similarly with the third row multiplied with the first column, we have L31 L11. Then third row multiplied with the second column, L31 L21 plus L32 L22. Now third column multiplied with third row multiplied with third column, L31 square plus L32 square plus L33 square. Now we have to compare this A with the right hand side, this matrix which is obtained as a product of L and L transpose. So let us take the terms one by one. Now first term A11. So I am going to compare the first element A11 with the first element of the right hand side matrix, that is L11 square. So that means you can have L11. Our task is to get this lower triangular matrix. So this is our task, to get this lower triangular matrix. So we have to find each element of this lower triangular matrix. That is from L11, L22, L33, L21, L31, L32. So we have to get these 6 elements. So that is our aim. So hence from this first comparison, L11 is equal to square root of A11. We know all the diagonal entries of this lower triangular matrix needs to be positive, and therefore we take the positive square root of A11. Now take the second comparison. Now let us try to get this L21. In order to get this L21, I am going to take this L21, L11 from this matrix in the right hand side, and correspondingly A21 is the element in the A matrix. So it is A21 from the left hand side, and from the right hand side it is L21, L11. L11 is already obtained, therefore L21 is equal to A21 by L11, or 1 by L11 into A21. So that is L21. So we got the second element also. L11 is obtained, L21. L11 is obtained, L21 is also obtained. Now let us find L22, and we use this term L21 square plus L22 square, and L21 square plus L22 square is getting compared with A22. So let us see what happens. A22 is equal to L21 square plus L22 square. So that gives L22 is equal to square root of A22 minus L21 square. So that is L22. The A22, we know A22, it is given. L21 is already obtained. So that is A22. So L22 is also obtained. Now let us find L31. L31 can be obtained by comparison of L31, L11 with the corresponding term of A, and hence we have A31 is equal to L31 into L11, and consequently we have L31 is equal to 1 by L11 into A31. So we obtain this A31 as well. Now let me find L32. L32 is obtained by comparison of L31, L21 plus L32, L22 by the corresponding term of the left hand side, which is A32. So we have A32 in the left getting compared with L31, L21 plus L32, L22. So all the terms except L32 is unknown. So L32 is equal to it is 1 by L22 into A32 minus L31 into L21, and that is L32. So we obtain L32 also. Now the last is to get L33. To get L33, we are going to compare this term L31 square plus L32 square plus L33 square with A33. So let us see what happens. The left hand side is A33 and the right hand side is L31 square plus L32 square plus L33 square. And we have L33 as equal to square root of A33 minus L31 square minus L32 square. So we obtained all the elements of this lower triangular matrix, and hence we have L. Now this factorization, this Cholesky factor L is a unique matrix. Now let us see an example in order to demonstrate this Cholesky decomposition of a symmetric positive definite 3 by 3 matrix. The question is, find the Cholesky decomposition of 6, 15, 55, 6, 15, 55 first row, then 15, 55, 225 second row, then 55, 225, 979 third row. So that is the question to get the Cholesky decomposition of this given matrix. Now let us see each of the terms of the lower triangular matrix required. So we have the matrix, let me call this matrix as A. So as the solution, we need this A to be decomposed into L and L transpose, where L is L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. So this is what we are supposed to get, the Cholesky factor L. We have to get all these Lij's by comparing the terms, suitable terms with the terms of this A. So let us see the values. Now L11 is square root of A11. Square root of A11 is square root of 6 and its value is 2.4495. Then L21 is 1 by L11 into A21. L21 is 1 by L11 into A21. It is 1 by 2.4495 into A21. A21 second row first element, it is 15. So 15 by 2.4495 and the answer is 6.1237. Now we can find L22. L22 is square root of A22 minus L21 square. Square root of A22 minus L21 square, and that is square root of A22 is A22 second row second column, so it is 55 minus L21 is 6.1237 square, and the value is 4.1833, that is L22. Now we can find L31. L31 is 1 by L11 into A31. 1 by L11 into A31. It is 1 by 2.4495 into A31 is third row first element, it is 55, and hence the value is 22.4537. Now L32 is equal to 1 by L22 into A32 minus L31 into L21. So L31 is already obtained, L21 is also obtained, and we have A32 as 225, and hence substituting and simplifying all these values, we have L32 as equal to 20.9165. And last we can have L33. L33 is square root of A33 minus L31 square minus L32 square. And substituting, L31 is obtained, L32 is obtained, and we have A33 as 979, and substituting all the values and simplifying, you have L33 as 6.1101. So we have all the L values, and therefore let us write the required L. L is 2.4495, then 0 0, then second row first element is 6.1237, then L22 is 4.1833, then 0, L31 is 22.4537, L32 is 20.9165, and L33 is 6.1101. So that is the Cholesky factor, and hence A is equal to L into L transpose. So that is the Cholesky factorization of the given matrix A.